What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your connection is not private error that you may be getting on your Google Chrome device. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, the easiest way to basically fix this is to open up Google Chrome and a non-incognito page such as this, go into settings, or you can just write Chrome://settings to basically come to the settings page of your Google Chrome browser. In here, click into where it says privacy and security, and then in here, find something that says always use secure connections. You want to basically have this turned off so you don't basically get that error. Now, if you have this enabled, it's only going to make you go to websites that are secure. But again, if there are certain websites that aren't up to date or aren't secure, it's basically not going to like let you go there. So you want to basically turn this off. So yeah, once you guys do this, you should be good to go, and you will not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you got the video, please smash the like, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell, and then Motorola's out. Peace.